Okay, last week we had covered how to balance your body, basics and conditioning. Many times we feel, a lot of people who struggle with push-ups, just normal push-ups. For some it is very, very basic and very easy, but then a lot of times people struggle with that. So we'll start with, how to do step-by-step push-ups. First of all, take any ball, place your hands. This is going to be very, very easy. First step. So if you have not been exposed to push-ups or have not been able to do it anytime, nothing to worry. We'll step by step graduate. So first step is, keep your hands on the wall, keep them firm, go down, up, 2, up. This is the first step. So you should be able to do it. If you're not able to do it only 3-4 times or increase the repetitions as you go forward. Right, so this was the first step. Next step, take any chair or something, make sure it's well balanced and it's not moving, because if it is moving you might fall down. Keep your legs joined, go down, up. Make sure your whole body is going together. It should not go like this or like that. Take the whole body going like this, down and up, and down, up, down, up. Keep doing the repetitions, do it 5 times, 10 times. As you progress, it's going to be easier. Now we go down and start seeing how to do it on the floor. Take a mat, normal plank if you have seen, don't push your elbows, keep your elbows stretched, hold it like this. To start with, if you're finding it difficult, do it for let's say 10 seconds, increase the level of difficulty, do 3 repetitions, 5 repetitions. Once you're able to do for 1 minute, then we can progress on to the next level. Right? Simple position, if you can see, it's going to be the whole plank. Don't bend your back or make your bums go up. Just hold it like this. Right? So this was the third step. Once you're doing push-ups, this will give you, strength in your shoulders. You'll be able to do better. Once you're able to do this, we come on to the next level. Hold it like this, on your elbows, up. We've done this early as well. Go down, up, down like this, down on your elbows, up, up. Right? Another variation, once you master this, is one hand. Tap your shoulders. This will all give you strength in your shoulders and you're able to do it in a better manner. Right? Once you're able to do, just go for the next exercise. Next exercise might seem a bit difficult, but then slowly you'll have to increase the level of difficulty to be able to do your first push-up nicely. So what you do is, hold it like this, go down, touch your body down, then get up. Then down, and then get up. And down, and get up. Now once you're able to do that, try and go down slowly, instead of going all of a sudden. Go down and then again get up. Then slower again. And get up. Right? Next is, take 2 pillows, keep them down, hands to the side, go down and up, and go down and up, down again and up. Right? Once you are able to do, again take 1 pillow, remove this, go down and up, go down and up. Right? So this is again the next level of push-ups you should be doing. Again, once you're able to do that step, keep your body down and up, and down and up, and down and up. Right? Okay, so once you're able to do that as well, come on your knees, on your hands, go down, up. Try and not touch your body down and up, down, up, down, up. Right? So this way you have done all the steps which are mandatory if you want to go step by step to do your first push-up. Right?
finally how your push-up should come out to be.
Fingers facing forward, hands shoulder width apart, they should not be too wide, not too narrow. Join your toes, make a plank, and down and up. Down, up. Down, up, down, up. Right? So this is the ideal way you should be doing. You should be able to do 20, 25, and slowly you should be able to take it forward for the next step. 50 push-ups, whatever. I mean, it's upon your hard work how you are able to do it. So I'm sure you've enjoyed watching this. I'm sure you've learned something out of it. In case of any comments, feel free to write it down. We'll try and include it in the subsequent video lectures. Right? So have a good time, enjoy doing push-ups, and keep working hard. All the best.